If you're an Amazon seller and you want to gain a major competitive edge in your niche, then you need to check out Seller Sprite's tool called Ads Insights. It was designed to give you relevant data into your rival's PPC targeting strategy so you can discover high converting keywords that work and ultimately enhance your own PPC performance. So get ready to increase your sales and profits, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through this Ads Insights feature so you can fully optimize your ad spend and stop throwing money away on useless keywords and wasteful targeting methods. But before we jump into the video, let me first start by telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create Amazon video ads for PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. And to view our pricing portfolio and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call with me by going to emaamz.com. So now let's carry on with the video. All right, now full transparency, Seller Sprite did sponsor this video and is allowing me to offer my audience an exclusive discount that will save you $30 per month when you use the promo code EVOLVE68. So if this tool looks like something you want to use, then be sure to use the promo code EVOLVE68 to help support my YouTube channel. Now, let me share my screen so you guys can see all the ways Seller Sprites lets you analyze your rival's PPC ad strategy. All right, so now you should be able to see my screen, and I am here in the Seller Sprite dashboard. Now to get to this exact place, you click on Tools, then go to Ads Insights right there, then that's gonna bring you to this page. Now in order to do anything, you gotta paste in an ASIN. So I've got this garlic press right here. I figure they probably are running a lot of ads. They've got 1,600 views. I actually found them because they were an ad, so I'm just gonna paste in their ASIN right here. Click on search, it's gonna do its thing, and it's gonna show me a lot of these different circles. Now as I hover over these circles, you can see week 19, ad group is UDDE, search terms are 21, so that means that they are bidding on 21 different search terms. All right, so this is where you're gonna do all of your competitive analysis in this simple dashboard that breaks down your competition's ad campaign structure, targeting strategies, search terms, and more. So as you can see, you can easily see the amount of campaigns and the amount of ad groups that this particular ASIN is running. You can either look at it by the week view or by the month view by clicking right there. And you can also sort data by oldest first or latest first, so most recent first. I'm just gonna keep it on latest first for now. And I would recommend you to always be looking at latest first unless you're looking at seasonal trends, you know, something of like last Christmas, which was a long time ago. All right, so as you see along this left column right here, you have a bunch of different color variations of this garlic press, and then you can see that this color variation is in the ad group called UDDE. Now this isn't the actual ad group name that this particular seller named it, it's just a name that Seller Sprite has kind of assigned to it, because as you can see here, this campaign is WKVT, right? It's a bit of a code. So if I copy that and then I just do like a control find, or if you're on Mac, then it's gonna be Command F, basically Control F or Command F. So if I do that and then I type in that WKVT, then that is gonna only show that one campaign, that one ad group is in that one campaign, basically. If we look at this campaign called LMVK and we do a little copy find for that one, now it's gonna show that that one campaign, LMVK, has about 6 different ad groups in it. So it just gives you an idea onto like how they're structuring their PPC setup, how many ad groups are in each campaign, and overall you can see here they have 38 campaigns and 63 ad groups, but then you can see, okay, well for this one campaign they have 6 different ad groups in this one campaign. So you're just trying to extract insights and you're kind of just using the naming convention that Seller Sprite has put onto each campaign and ad group in that way. Now we can dig even further. If we look at the different dot sizes, that represents how many search terms this ad group is actually bidding on. So let's click on this big circle right here, they're bidding on 21 search terms, so we're gonna click on that. And then that's gonna give us a breakdown of the actual keyword phrases that they're actually bidding on for which particular ASIN. So we can see all these different keyword phrases. We can look at the search frequency rank, which is the rank in numeric of a particular search term based on its popularity for a particular time period. So the actual popularity of a search term, you can see historical data as well of that particular search term and how many searches that one particular keyword phrase got over each month over the last couple of years. You can look at the click concentration, the PPC bid, which kind of gives you an idea of what the average bid is. If we hover over it, it'll tell us it's the average bid of pay per click for this keyword. So that will give you an idea on what to actually bid for this keyword. You can look at the SPR, which is seller price product rank. This is the estimated number of units that need to be sold over 8 days, resulting from this exact search for this keyword in order to rank on the top half of the page for this one keyword phrase. So it kind of gives you an idea of like how likely can you rank for this keyword? How many units and sales and orders do you have to have over an 8-day period for this one keyword phrase in order to rank for that keyword phrase? Here in this organic rank column, you can see by hovering over this little chart what position that ASIN is actually organically ranking for that particular keyword phrase right there to the left. Now this data is not on every single keyword phrase, as you can see right here and right here, it's not there, but with the keyword phrases that do have that data, you can see how it's trending over the past couple days, and you can actually see on the singular points, where it's at right now, 57 position for highest rated garlic press. Now I would never recommend just blindly copy pasting all of these keywords and just bidding on them because you're gonna blow and waste away a lot of money, but I would definitely say look at what keywords you found with your keyword research and then look at what your competitors are bidding on, and this is just going to help you make minor changes to what you may be bidding on, and it may help you discover new keyword phrases that you didn't even find out about, but it will help guide your keyword targeting strategies and how much you should be bidding on your exact keyword phrases. Now after clicking on one of these circles and when you're looking at the actual keyword breakdown, you can infer a few different things about the competitor's targeting strategies. For instance, the seller most likely uses loose match targeting and or automatic targeting when the keywords in an ad group are very different from each other or not closely related to the ASIN being sold. The seller probably uses manual phrase or broad targeting when the keywords in an ad group are similar or use similar root keywords in every search term. So for example, you can see here garlic press, Zule garlic press, sussy garlic press. So again, when they have that same garlic press root keyword, that means that they may be using manual phrase or broad targeting. The seller might be using exact match targeting when there are only a few keywords being targeted in an ad group and those keywords very closely match the ASIN being sold. So let me show you an example of that. Okay, so here's a little circle right here that is only targeting 5 search terms. So we're gonna click on that and we're gonna see if these are exact match keywords phrases. It looks like these very much could be exact match because they are very specific to what this product offers. Also, they're longer tail keyword phrases, which means that the search volume is going to be a lot lower because they're pretty long, stainless steel garlic press rocker. So just something to keep in mind as you're interpreting this data. Now, if you click on this little icon, this little search trend graph right here, this is going to give you some good historical insights into the search volume of this particular keyword phrase using different platforms. So you can see here you got rank trend, you got Google trends, you got click concentration, what's the historical data been for the PPC bid amount, and it looks like you can even get an idea of how many products have been bidding on this particular keyword phrase. Now if you wanted to download and export this information, then you would hover over these 3 little dots right here, and then you can click on download historical searches by clicking that little icon right there, or you can jump over to the keyword mining tool to get even more data on this particular keyword phrase, garlic crusher right here. Now this little icon, it's a G, will just easily pop up Google Trends, so you can easily see some good historical data. It looks like it goes back till 2018 of September, and it's going to show you a lot of different search data and search interest from Google Trends. So that's a pretty good source right there. You can also easily create your own keyword lists by clicking on the checkbox to the left right here to create folders of keywords to stay organized. Another really cool and quick little feature is if you hover over these keywords, it's going to pop up with the top 10 ranking products that are ranking for that particular keyword phrase, and then you can click on that. You can go check out that listing, but just a really easy way to just do some keyword research, kind of spy on your competition, and overall figure out which keywords you want to bid on and what amount you want to bid on that particular keyword phrase. Now, there's a lot more information you can gather from this PPC analyzer by SellerSprite. I didn't even cover all of it because it would take forever. So if you're tired of guessing or spying on your competitors manually, definitely be sure to check out this tool so you can make data-driven decisions to refine your PPC strategy, maximize your ROI, and boost your profits dramatically. Amazon sellers can easily see how their competitors are spending their ad dollars and identify the most effective keywords for similar, very successful products. They can also get clarity on how to bid better and avoid wasting money on overbidding. Now, before you start using SellerSprite, make sure to take advantage of this exclusive discount when you use the promo code EVOLVE68. You're gonna save $30 per month on SellerSprite's paid plan with that promo code. So I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to boost your PPC performance even more by getting your conversion rate as high as possible, maybe revamping your photos and videos, and me and my team would love to help you out. We completely revamp listings all the time, and we dramatically boost conversion rates all the time, which really helps PPC ad performance. So if you're curious what we're charging for our services, you can view our pricing and portfolio and get a free listing audit through a consulting call by going to emaamz.com. Also, you can get access to our free Amazon listing checklist by going to amzchecklist.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.